Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Veg Seekh Kebabs. They are easy to prepare and taste super delicious too. They are crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. You can serve them as starters or have them with the main course too. Do watch the full video and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Let's get started now. I'm heating 1 tablespoon of oil. I will now roast 3 tablespoons of basin, that is the gram flour. Lightly roast the basin on a low flame. I will be using this to bind the vegetables. Add some oil. Saute the finely chopped onions. Now add the beans. Add the carrots. Add the cauliflower. I have chopped all the vegetables finely. Add the cabbage. Add the green chilli now. Add the boiled peas. Mash them a little. Add salt. Ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. Add the paneer now. I have mashed the paneer well. Add the chili flakes. I sauteed the entire mixture for about 10 minutes. Turn off the flame now. Now add the masala powders, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, chilli powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala. Mix everything well. Allow it to cool now. Add some coriander leaves. Little lime juice. The mixture has cooled now. I will now add the mashed potatoes. I will add the roasted gram flour as well, that is the basin, and mix everything up well. At this point you can adjust the salt. I've put some basin on this board. Now let's do the kebabs. And put on this board and roll it as well. If it doesn't bind, you can add some more basin to this. Keep turning them on all sides and fry. And it's done. Veg Seekh Kebabs are now ready to be served. You can serve it with some ketchup or green chutney, or can be eaten even plain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram, the links for which have been provided below. Thanks for watching.